go around the house.
Friend of benefit.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So I've been walking straight from the side, you see, straight. I've been walking there and I'm right here. And I'm telling you, these streets are so empty. So I'm coming up with two assumptions, or maybe three. I don't know which is right. They're super empty and you know, I'm new in the area, so you know, it feels not okay for me. So it's either people are really rich here, that everybody closely drives, and you see there's a bank right there, so there are banks everywhere. So it's either people are really rich here, that they never walk, okay? Or it could be dangerous, or the only person I'm seeing, she's running and she's working out, you see? Yeah, she's... Oh, I see others also right there. So I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm in the wrong routes or streets, you know, because you see, the only people I see here is these girls running and the other girl who just passed. And I've been walking here for now 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, like 15 minutes. I mean, I came all the way that way. You see? Oh, people are really practicing here. You know? It's really empty, man, and today is a weekday, so you know, maybe you may say Sunday is when. And it's funny, you know, I don't know what really happened, but you see how this place are like unmaintained. All these streets except the bank, everything looked like odd, like awkward, like there was something missing. Yeah, I just came from downtown, but that big hotel stands out all the time. Actually, right now, even when I get lost, I just look at it and know my direction. That big hotel. Okay. I see a gentleman here doing some cleaning. Very nice. These are so empty, only workouts, you know. Honestly, it feels like America, you know. Yeah, it feels like the US, where you never see people, especially out of town. You never see people walk, everybody's driving. You see the dog right, the guy, you see? Yeah. Somebody, it was a couple actually. It's so boring, man. I don't know if it's boring or confusing, especially to a guy who is used to downtown areas being so busy, you know. But I think that's the essence of travel, you know. You go to different places and you discover different things. But here people right there practicing rugby, you know. I'm getting lost here, but I hope I arrive in my home safe. Yeah. The big hotel right there. That's the iconic building of the Bahamas. The rest, oh wow, a big rat has just crossed here. very big rat has crossed the road and went right there. There's like a playing ground here. I don't know what it is, but Sydney Poultry Bridge. Okay. There's an empty land here. Oh, it's not really empty. It's a cemetery. But it looks really exclusive. Maybe the hill. I don't know who was buried here. These are the empty streets of Bahamas. All you can see is some direction saying straight ahead only. So that's the bridge right there. This bridge is very famous actually. You can see it from the drone footage that I have released. So I think I have to keep going straight. Straight. Oh, there's like a basketball place to play. And yeah. Family guardian. Wow. Yeah, it's really funny. There's nothing to record apart from the empty streets, you know. Let's see if I can cross the road. This place is called Atlantic Shipwreck. I think it looks like a very nice place for a weekend. Yeah, that's how things seem to be, you know. This is the first group I'm meeting and they look touristic. So I think I'll be ending this video here, you know. Yeah, the kids speak Spanish. I think I'll end the video here. Hope to see you in my next one, guys. For now, ciao ciao. Nos vemos a luego. You see, the magnificent building is always on site. For me, it's like a compass direction. It gives me, you know, the rad of where I'm going. I know to the left, to the right. Yeah. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
So yesterday I ate right there in one of these restaurants. They had really good fish. And I think I'll go back there to see if the guys were there. They were really helpful. They helped me find a taxi somewhere there. So that's where I'm saying. And they helped me find a taxi right at the end, right here. So the taxi guy asked me for 10 USD. You know? Yeah, this place is very famous for fish. To eat fish. You see how clean the water is? Look. You can see literally everything. Yeah, wow. It's so clean, man. Imagine that's the Bahamas. Let me go say hello to my friends. So there's no electricity, so you know. That's a little. Thank you. So let's go here. This place is very famous. This place is world famous. Oh no, I wanted to go to this. Wow. This place is called Under the Bridge. It's world famous for fish eating. Yesterday I ate here. I'm going to see if my friends are there just to say hello. I think I ate in one of these restaurants. Not here. Oh, right here. All those black things you're seeing down there, I mean, all these black things, all those dark things you're seeing, those are fish. You see, there are too many. So those are fish, and right here, right behind me, I think you can see those buildings, those ones. There's a helicopter passing here. Those small buildings, that is the best place to eat fish in the entire Nassau Island, you know? I've eaten fish, that's why I'm so excited. I feel energized because the whole day it has been chaos, man. So I had this Airbnb I had booked, but before that, let me show you. You know, that is the iconic buildings. They're owned by the same guy, I'm told. That one right there is the best hotel. There's another one right here, another one right there. And the sun is going down, you can see that. Maybe I show you from this side. Yeah, you can see that. Wow. And now I should tell you something. Today was my craziest day. I'm telling you, super crazy. And
the worst person to go ahead and call sometimes. You know what I'm saying?
you see that guy? That guy is trying to convince a girl. He's saying, you know, I don't want to tell you I love you, but you know, I really feel. I'm like, oh my god. So this is Nassau, okay? That is the official place to eat food and stuff. And the best, I'm saying the best of the best seafood you can eat there. Maybe tomorrow I'll introduce you to the ladies who sell me this seafood. They're one of the best. I'm telling you, man, you love them. And right here we have Catalina. Catalina is that boat right there. I don't know if you can see the name right down. It's written Catalina. So Catalina is this small boat. And I think I don't know why they always have these generators. You see, they have a small generator right there. And this is the beautiful, beautiful Nassau, and the sun. Woo, woo. You see the sun right there? Yeah, man. And that's the city, man. Looks like that. So I should tell you a little things I've discovered about the Bahamian people. Number one is they greet you, like they'll say, "Oh, what's that?" No, they'll not say, "Oh," they'll say like, "Good evening." Sorry, I'm lost. Look, man, it's a dead end here. So this marks the end of